Hello again and welcome back to another episode of Channel Automation Training. Today I'm going to talk about something very basic, which is just going to be, what does your dashboard mean? So when you first log into Channel Automation as an administrator, you're going to be able to see all of these items displayed on your dashboard. So number one, it's going to be welcoming you with your name. It's also going to be saying what your stats are for the last 30 days on your live chat system. So over here, it says your total bot users. Now, bot users is just another name for your prospects or your leads. So right now, this is going to be your lead number that is currently in the system. Depending on what you've signed up for with us on our contract, your bot user limit is going to vary. Over here, you have your active bot users. These are going to be your people that have responded to your messaging. So your prospects that have commented back and are ready to be talked to or have already been spoken to by your team. That's what your active bot users are. And you'll be able to kind of get a good idea of what the influx is by just putting your mouse over on top to see where those highs and lows are for engagement. Right down here, you're going to see your bots by channel area. So this is going to tell you how many different bots and what type that bot is on your system. So right now for our channel automation channel, we have 13 SMS bots, meaning that you're able to send text messages directly to 13 different registered phone numbers. Over here, we have 5 voice numbers. Now, on a different tutorial, we're going to go over a little bit more detail what it means to have a voice bot, but this means essentially if you have an IVR or an automated voice set up for your account, that's how many voice users you're going to have. Omnichannel is going to be something that is connected outside of the standard named channels, like the big channels like Facebook, social media, SMS, and voice. Omnichannel is going to usually be a web chat or something that is connected to one of your personalized websites. So in this case, we have our web chat connected directly here. Facebook is pretty straightforward. Your Facebook chat can connect directly to channel automation. This also includes your Instagram chat. And so if somebody messages you on Facebook chat, you can have customized messages going out from channel automation instead of what they have available for the Facebook chat on Facebook itself. They're very limiting. You can kind of just send a couple of things out versus having an entire campaign set up through us. Also, Google My Business, same exact thing. Instead of being limited to what you're able to set up on Google My Business, you're able to hook this up to channel automation directly and control what messages are going out to people reaching out to you. That's the same thing for these items over here. You can view all to see all of your channels. We have a whole lot of integration, which we will cover on a different video. Next down here, we have our video tutorial section. And if you click on this, you'll be able to see what we have already available for video tutorials, including this one. You're going to be able to see this video tutorial listed here as well. We're going to be adding more all the time, literally all the time. So if you are looking for something and you don't see it yet, feel free to mention that to our team so we can make sure to cover that for you so other clients that have questions can also talk about that as well. Community is going to be where you can share ideas or see what other people have set up already. This is on our Facebook page. And so we have some of our people talking back and forth with each other on our page itself, and that's some of the materials that we've posted. So this is a good way that you can kind of see what is up and coming and what's happening with Channel Automation's Facebook. Over here, we have our help center, and this is going to be already pre-filled out with tutorials on what it means to create your first chatbot, having all of the different channels available, how to access different widgets. And so we have spend a whole lot of time putting all of this together for you. And so you have resources available essentially to take a look and learn a little bit more about our system. Now, I know this would be a lot to read, and so that is why we are also supplementing some of our instructions with short video tutorials such as this. We are excited to go through all of these different items with you. So today we'll be signing off on training. See you next time.